UZI tactical collapsible umbrella, unbreakable telescopic umbrella, and a 2x4. First, unbreakable telescopic umbrella, no tactical in its name, just a sturdy umbrella. One of two ways of retracting the shaft of the model U303. Explanation in a video, Unbreakable Telescopic Umbrella, how to use it. Another way of retracting the shaft of the model 303. Explanation in a video, Unbreakable Telescopic Umbrella, how to use it. UZI tactical collapsible umbrella. It takes all the steps to extend the shaft of the UZI tactical collapsible umbrella. A soft target. A 70-year-old forearm. Perhaps UZI tactical collapsible umbrella can take impacts better in its retracted state, that is, when collapsed. Let's see. If you won't settle your argument with one strike, then you will have a problem. Unbreakable telescopic umbrella made persuasive impacts. UZI tactical collapsible umbrella made no dent. Now to emergency glass breakers. UZI umbrella has a sharp tungsten carbide tip, which certainly can break car windows. Unbreakable umbrella's glass breaker has no sharp points or edges you could cut yourself with, but it breaks car windows quite well, as you may see. You don't believe me? Then get a car window or a whole car and do it yourself.